This information we're about to share is for educational purposes, and you should always consult a licensed tax professional, accountant, or lawyer when it comes to your business. So most of this lesson only applies to US freelancers. If you're not in the US, feel free to skip ahead. So should you open a business? And if so, what business structure should you use?
This is not a pyramid scheme. This is a multi-level marketing scheme.
So should you open a business? And if so, what business structure should you use? There are 4 types of business structures: sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and corporations. I do not recommend sole proprietorships or partnerships because they have unlimited liability. This means that your personal assets would be liable if something happened to your business. That leaves us with LLCs and corporations. Corporations are harder to establish and have more regulatory requirements than LLCs, so let's go ahead and rule that one out. For small and medium businesses, most accountants will recommend LLCs for their simplicity and flexibility, so we recommend LLCs. If you take away just one thing from this lesson, it would be open an LLC to protect your personal assets. An LLC, or limited liability company, ensures that your personal assets cannot be claimed to satisfy business debts if something happens, like a lawsuit against the business. That is the #1 reason to open an LLC. It's easy and inexpensive to set up an LLC, and we highly recommend it, given how much protection it will give to your personal assets. We'll get into how to set up an LLC in the next lesson. I have an LLC, and so does Faith. I have a multi-member LLC because my husband's a part owner of my business, and Faith has what's called an S-Corp LLC. An S-Corp is a tax designation. In short, it allows an LLC to hire you as an employee of your business. This is the part where we highly recommend working with a tax or legal professional. They can help see which LLC is right for you, but we do have a calculator in our sheet that can help determine if single-member LLC or S-Corp is right for you. In short, if your business will have an annual revenue of over $80,000, an S-Corp may be more beneficial to you. And we'll recommend a company that can manage your bookkeeping, accounting, tax, and compliance for an S-Corp in the next lesson. Now that you know what type of business to open, our next lesson will go over how to open a business.
Let's open it up.